Buy off-brand Legos because I was building my off-brand Legos last night. Mind you, I did not finish them. I'm sorry, I'm not bending over. Like, I literally feel like part of my spine is like floating. That's probably not good, but that's what it feels like sometimes. So look at this. Mastery setup. Okay, I want like a building. Okay, chat. Okay. Give me a second, y'all. Give me a second. See if I can get this back. Oh my god. Oh, is this camera angle serving or not? I feel like this is just not the angle here. I feel like we need to... Okay. Crop myself a bit. Gosh. Oh gosh. Okay. I feel like this is perfect, and I feel like this is not getting any more perfect, chat. So if you have a problem with this, you can kiss my butt. Because this is the best I can do. Okay, chat. This is better. In my opinion, this is better. Okay. So I have a fat fucking wedgie. Anthony, thank you for the sub. Also, why is the alert on my face? It should be like right here. Thank you, Anthony. Oh, and with Prime, you deserve your butt sauteed and licked. I don't know, I always say that. I think it's just funny. Okay. So there's a lot of #1 bags. This is very overwhelming for me. I'm gonna just kind of look at the pieces here and see if that's a possibility to just... These are all #1 bags that's on my desk, except that one all the way at the end by my Nintendo Switch. So, looks like it needs this piece. Oh, I didn't just rip it, right? I didn't just rip the Daddy Falcon. The big Daddy Falcon. Okay. I might need, like, lots of bowls for these. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. 5 bowls. 5 bowls max. And 2 big bowls. I'm back, chat. Not an easy feat. Okay. I just grabbed all these random Tupperware because I'm like, I have a big desk, but the thing is I have a lot of like crap on my desk. So this is like kind of hard for me. Okay. Ooh. The lighting looks good too because I just fixed that light. I got all these bowls. Yeah, this is definitely gonna have to be a double part series for this stream. I'm not going for the world record, guys. I already wasted 2 hours just setting this up. Or an hour, I guess. This is the first bag. We're putting it in this big one. Because I don't want to get them mixed up. If you get the bags mixed up for some reason, it makes it less optimal. At least I found that to be a thing. Has all these little gibbets. I'm not going to fuck with these once I use them. Did that just rip? It just ripped. I just ripped the book of it. Oh god. That is sad. Okay. I did not want to just do that. Whatever. I don't care. I don't care. More stuff. And I feel so sad that I just ripped that paper at the bind. Okay. Here's the other big bag. My ankle's itchy. Help. I have an itchy Lego. I meant ankle. I don't know why I said Lego. I need this. Okay, I need this. I hate that you guys can barely see the instructions, but I only have so many damn cameras. I only have 2 cameras, so little things, so. 1, 2. Okay, so this is regular, right? Now I gotta snip 2 holes, put this here, then this one. Oh god, the big one. What's the big one? This. These same length. I'm not building Eiffel Tower, I'm building the Millennium Falcon. But the Eiffel Tower would have been cool. But, yeah. Is this, like... Wait. Oh god, I did it wrong. How did I just... I don't want to see the glare. Okay. Why do I always do this? Okay. This even makes right, what am I doing? Okay. I need to go this. Why? Okay. So I need one right here. This is gonna take forever. I'm like already so slow. Okay, 3. It's so hard to see over here. I feel like switching it to my other side. Maybe I would be able to see it, but wait. No, I can't. That would not work. No, there's still a lot of glare. It's like I can't see the instructions. I'm getting annoyed. I'm getting really annoyed right now. I guess I just have to move it so close to me. Whatever. Okay. But then you guys can't even see, well, I guess you guys can see me build it over here. Okay. These are all the same, right? I don't know why my camera's like a little weird. I can't find these in here. I was like, where? See, this is why you don't mix them all together. Do you know how much harder this would be if I mixed all these little packets together? I would literally be crying. Okay. One, two. Oh gosh. Have I charged all my battery packs? I have, yeah. Why did I say I can? That's not what I meant to say. Wait. What? Okay. Thank God. Thank God. Like, what the fuck is happening? Oh, I have to double layer these too. Okay. We're double layering everything. Epic. I just dropped a popcorn on the ground. I'm sorry, chat. I was just hungry. Okay. Let's get back to where we started. Well, one more carrot. What the fuck? Why would you fucking do that? That was fucked up. Oh, I think I stacked the other one wrong last time. Oopsie. At least we got that figured out. Because I was like, ew, why is it uneven? It's because I stacked it wrong. Fuck that place. I don't need it. What are you guys talking about in the chat? Like, genuinely, are you guys okay? I'm doing good. CPF, or Jack, I guess. I'm building the Millennium Falcon right now. And it's taking a bit, but I got it. Nervous? That's okay. Like, if you want to spam in the chat, you can. It's just like, I don't know what to say. Really. I don't know. The popcorn flavor is just butter. It's like, not like healthy popcorn. It's just like low calorie. I think it's only like 200 calories per bag. I mean, that's not that bad for popcorn. It actually tastes good. I think you would die if you were a plane caught in a tornado, right? Has that ever happened? Get me a plane, I'm headed to Tennessee. Good luck out there. Oh, thanks, Bobby. Jet plane crashed in Holland because it flew into a tornado. Did they fly into it on purpose or accident? This actually doesn't taste different. This brand doesn't. I honestly prefer it over, like, normal movie popcorn. 213 Bill, I already responded to that comment about Miss World. Oh my gosh, that's really sad. Chat, what'd you guys do today? I went shopping. Man, I didn't go to the gym. I did that. I just bought clothes for summer. You don't know how to make microwave popcorn? Bubs, weren't you wanting to quit your job anyway? Get a new microwave. How much are they? Are they like 100? Y'all, when were planes invented? No. Probably around 100. I guess you're right. I hope they stay safe. I'm not vegetarian. What the fuck? Sorry, I just found that offensive. Cause like, can you not see how fucking jacked I am? Fucked up. We're building again. No more eating for me. Aw, so sad. How do you watch 2 streams at once? 2 different tabs, I think. Okay. They kind of make it confusing of like where I'm supposed to put these thingies. Can have stream open in different tabs, but only audio from OP on top will play. Girl, I don't know. I really don't know. Okay, then I'm just supposed to stack this on this. Ow, I pinched my finger. Owie. Wow, we've done so much in only an hour. Look at me balling out like a motherfucker. Literally so swag. I've been good, y'all. I've just been doing the same old things, you know. Went to the gym. Wait, I didn't go to the gym today. I went shopping today instead. That just seems to be a theme with me lately. I've been going shopping instead. It is what it is. On Rocket League, I love Rocket League, but I'm really bad at it. It's 2:37 a.m. That's actually not too bad. Didn't you say it was like 6 in the morning? My last stream. I remember that. Cause it was shocking. I was like, damn. I can't lie. I go through phases of sleeping like that too. Guys, I feel like I've done so much, but like nothing. Like, this is all I have. You're correct. There it was 6 a.m. last time I fell asleep. Because my ADHD brain don't switch off easily. Yeah, I'm like that too. But like, I've been having like... How are you gonna do it? I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I'm trying my best. Maybe I'll just do it off stream, or do you guys want me to do it on stream? I wanted to at least do a little of it on stream. We don't have to do all of it on stream. I could just have like these specific days. Like, I don't want to do it back to back to back on stream. Like, tomorrow's just gonna be like a normal just chatting stream, I'm pretty sure, because like I know most of this has my attention. Second one's great. I don't get that. Okay, I think I'm just gonna stream it on the days where like I know I have a lot of time, like today. Cause I would hate for like my 2-hour days, cause sometimes it's really loud in my house and I can't stream that long. I'm building the Millennium Falcon Lego set. It's the black one. Yeah. Okay. Wait, I was supposed to put... Alright. Like, I feel like I've made a lot of progress, but also not. Because, like, I took a lot of breaks to, like, eat, and then it was hecka hard to set this up. But we got this. Probably uses 500 of this. Bruh, I only used 500. That's like a little baby Lego set. I barely did nothing. Okay. Oh yeah, I do know that the Lego typewriter does that. I saw it on Reddit. You bought that, right? Ah. They make Roblox IRL? No, it's Legos. Law-abiding citizen? What is that on? I've never heard of that. Two of these, and two of these. Did I do this wrong? What the fuck? What? Gosh. I am building. There's like so many little pieces in this. Yeah, how old does this box say you have to be? Because this shit is definitely not for kids. If I was a kid and I got this shit, I'd be pissed off. Because why do I have to build it? Chat. I'm sorry I keep eating, but I'm just hungry. Oh god, not my battery dying. This is how... It's not ice cream, I wish it was. Superstar Destroyer is what it's called. I just looked it up. That's what it's called, Chubs. They have a set of that too. There is a lot of Star Wars lore, and honestly, I'm not too good on like the lore. I just enjoy Star Wars. My PS5, I play just like games in my bed, like Fortnite, and I have a PC in order to stream. I don't know, Chubbs. I don't know shit about the lore. You're gonna have to Wikipedia that. And shit's bussing. Oh, I was thinking about the other ship. I actually haven't even seen this set before. It must not be that popular. That one's pretty cool though. Cool, got you. I also have my Switch, which is right next to me. Love me some Switch games. Okay, chat. We're starting back up again. Sorry I keep taking food breaks. Not really, because if I was, I wouldn't take them, but... I'm just a hungry bitch, like... What can I say? I just like to eat. I gotta keep this back big. I guess. It's not cold in California, it's just I ate frozen blueberries, so my body's a little cold. Where did I put my other battery? From what I remember, you have the falcon, a small plant set, the Japanese theme set, roses, and the macaw. Yeah, and then I have fake Legos. I have the Breaking Bad van Legos, quote unquote, and then I have the Dune set. I don't remember what the transport one was called. I don't know any of the names, Chubbs. Like, I'm the wrong person to ask. Like, the last time I watched the Star Wars films, I was a child, and I'm trying to rewatch them all, but right now I'm on, like, the Sith one, which is, like, the third one of, like, the story, but not how they released. Because basically the order it has on Disney Plus is how I'm doing it. I'm not doing it by release, because I want to understand the story more. And like the development. So I'm still rewatching them. It's just I've been rewatching them with my grandma is the thing. So it's been a little slow on the progress. Because I like to wait to watch them with her. Yeah, sorry, I just fixed the webcam. I've had so many people try to convince me to watch Star Wars, my brain just doesn't want to accept that recommendation for some reason. Honestly, sorry, I'm not digging in my butt. I'm trying to get the pillow back behind my back. Honestly, the movies are, like, not up to date, like, with films today, but I think, like, just, like, for their time, they were so iconic, so it's just something you would have to want to do on your own. Like, you know, I feel like for some people it's hard to get into Star Wars just because of, like, it's a little older now, like, the movies are a little older, and, like, a lot of people don't want to revisit that, but they're just so iconic. Have to take it apart. Maybe I can squeeze it in, I don't know, I give up. I didn't mean to fast for 24 hours, life just didn't want me to have lunch today. The food truck normally get food from didn't show up today. Wait, what's the food truck though? I had this food truck food. It's a barbecue truck that can get a little pricey too. What's like the typical prices? Oh my gosh, I literally just took it out and put it right back where I took it out of.